Good morning, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today's shout out goes to the lovely Kay. Thank you for your lovely title idea. What did you said? A wonderfully adaptable workout. That's what I aim to bring to you, so I hope that it is going to be easy for you if you want something easier, or a bit more challenging if that's what you want. Start marching through the feet. Please, if you're working in bare feet, just check around you. There's nothing sharp and that you're not going to bash into anything. All you need is the space of a mat. So we're going to start with heel dig. So pushing the heels in front, lifting up the toes. So if you want to make it a little bit harder for yourself today, you're going to add a little bit of knee bend. If that's too much, just lift the toes up a little bit to really get some movement in the ankle. And obviously if you're trying to keep your step count up, you're going to be swinging those arms slightly. Well done. We're going to stand on one leg and just do the right leg, heel and toe. Are you ready? And change. Now if you're finding standing on one leg for the mat a little bit too much, you can reduce the time or just go back to the heel digs. Let's change again. Really good for your balance to stand on one leg and change. I'm doing little bicep curl arms. If you don't like that, do what feels right for you. Let's change. For 4, 3, 2 and step. 4, 3, 2 and step. 4, 3, 2. Well, quite a fast piece of music today. Oh, nearly missed it there. That working your hips slightly as well. Here's mine. Let's go back to the single heel digs in front. So, I'm making my arms a bit bigger now, just lifting them up. If that doesn't feel right, you're going to do what feels right for you. If that really is beginning to hurt your ankles now, just make it a toe tap in front. But if you can, please try and lift the heels as much as you can. Really get that flexion, so that bending up of the heel. Now let's take it to toe tap. So toe, toe, toe tap. So again here, you're going to make it right for you. Do what arms feel right. I'm bringing mine up in front nice and strongly, but if that's not right for you, that's fine. If the legs are too much, just make it smaller. So this is okay too. You need to pace yourself. It's a 15-minute workout. Now for some of us that's quite easy, but if you're a little bit less unfit or maybe a bit older or struggling after illness, pace yourself. Try and make it to the end of the workout by taking the easy options if you need to. I'm not here to push you hard, I'm here to keep you fit, help you maybe get that level of fitness back up a little bit. Now, if you want to really challenge your balance and work your heart a little bit harder, and this is optional, instead of that toe tap, take it to a knee lift. And I'm going to add some windscreen wiper arms. So again, if that's too much, keep it low. And again, do what feels right with the arms for you. Oh, well done. That's about a third the way through. Let's just march it through. Ready for those heel digs in front singles. So exactly the same moves for the second track as we had in the first. But I changed the arm slightly, side to side. Are you ready to stand on your left leg and heel toe, heel together, heel toe, heel together? Well done. Remember, if it is too much for you, you can just march on the spot, listen to the music, join in, feel like you're not exercising on your own. I'm here with you, yep? Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, change sides. If that's too much, adapt it. Go back to single heel digs or even toe taps. 4s for 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2, and change. Again. Last time right. Woo! Nearly missed that one. Single heel digs. So if you want to now, we're really in the middle of the workout now, you can make those arms nice and big. If that doesn't feel right for you, just relax the shoulders, let the arms swing. Okay, toe taps. So I'm just reaching forward with that toe, pointing the toe slightly. Again, if it's too much, maybe keep it here. If this is making you slightly out of breath, it's doing what it should. If it's making you too breathless, you need to tone it down a little bit. But if you want to make it harder, add a knee lift. If you want to make it even harder, maybe reach the arms up. Really going to make your heart work. But if that feels too much and you're feeling really out of breath, you need to just be able to talk. Come on, talk to me, shout to me. Knee lifts if you want. So however it feels good for you, maybe low arms, maybe big arms, maybe toe taps. Back to single heel dig, so heels out, toes up. And heel dig and change. Heel toe, heel change, heel toe. Don't worry again if you haven't got it. Keep moving, march on the spot. More important just to keep your body moving, get your step count up, feel a little bit fitter every day. Last time right, last time left. Back to knee lifts if you can. So if you don't like the knee lifts, keep it low. So you've got your options. Nice and big, nice and small, nice and big. You can alternate, but do what feels right for you. I'm going to keep it somewhere in the middle, which is a little bit of attitude, a little bit of arm movement, and a definite toe tap. Well done. We're getting there, yeah? It's lovely to have you with me. Really having a lot of encouragement from some of the nice comments I've been getting. So please do comment below. Let me know how you've got on today. Did you struggle? Did you find it easy? Oh, you'll be pleased to know we're 2/3 the way through roughly. Let's take it to a side step. Again, you have a choice. You can make it big. You can make it really tiny. If this hurts your ankles, this sideways, this lateral movement, then make it a lot tinier. You can just step and tap if you need to. I'm going to make it a bit bigger because that feels right for me. And I'm going to take the arms out to the side. So literally relax shoulders, just letting the arms swing out to the side. No higher than shoulder height, but whatever feels right for you. Let's change direction to the left and back. To the right for 4, 3, 2, and left. 4, 3, 2. Side. So you're doing these side arm movements. You might start to feel that in the back of the arm slightly. Change side. Last time. We're going to hit to the other side with bicep curls, and I want you to bring it slowly forward towards me. So however many steps you can fit in, once you get to the front of your space, hold it there. Take it back. 4, 3, 2. I can only manage 4 here. If you're in a long, narrow room, you might manage to 8. Coming forward. Well, I can come a bit further forward, but then half my body disappears off the camera. Taking it back. So if you want to immediately get to the front or back, keep moving in the other direction. That's up to you. We're just trying to move it around the mat a little bit. Hold it here, heel digs. Today I'm having to guess how close we are to the end of the music. Quite repetitive, and my clock's battery seems to have given up, so my next job is to go and change the clock battery. But I'm feeling that we're coming towards the end of our 15-minute workout. So we're just going to start making it smaller. Start to bring your heart rate down, make it smaller. So the music is the same speed, toe taps. So this time keep it low. Little tap behind, so I'm bending the knee. Try and keep your tummy and your back where it is. So we're not arching the back to lean back, we're holding it still, just tapping the toe behind, bending the knee. Side to side. Doesn't matter which side you've gone to. Let those shoulders relax. Swing them across the body or forward and back if that feels right. If you take them forward and back, it really is going to help relax the shoulders. To the side. Well done. And behind. Do what feels right with the arms. So for me, bringing both arms forward feels right. Think about pulling your belly in, keeping that back relaxed so you're not letting it arch. March it through. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. 3, 2. We are trying to bring the heart rate back down again, getting towards the end of this workout, so we're trying to cool down. Well done. We'll just finish off with a little calf stretch. Feet about hip width apart, maybe slightly wider. Take the right foot back, push that heel down. Bend the front knee, back leg straight. Watch that heel's not slipped in, holding it there. Woo. Pull your belly in. Nice straight line from the head through to the heel, and just look down to the mat in front of you or the carpet. Oh, let's change sides. Pushing that heel down. Oh, if you find your balance is doing what mine did there, your feet are probably too close together. Take them wider. Beautiful. Well done. That's all for today. Been lovely having you here with me to work out. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.